designated representative will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by. The following message is transmitted by the United States Geological Survey and the President of the United States. The global emergency is currently imminent within the next 14 days. As you all felt, Mount Rainier has erupted and destroyed all cities within a 100-mile radius, and ash has been spotted in Los Angeles, California and Dallas, Texas, and some parts of British Columbia. And the eruption of the volcano will cause other volcanoes to erupt, including Mount Baker, Mount St. Helens, Mount Adams, and most deadly, the Yellowstone caldera. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do at the current moment. If you need to go outside for any reason, put a wet cloth over your mouth and nose because breathing ash is deadly. Stay tuned into your local news outlets for any news. You must have the following items for survival: food, water, and medical supplies for 14 days. Make sure to